Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device and opening settings. Make sure your phone has at least 20% battery and is unlocked, then open Settings or pull down Quick Settings and tap the gear. Navigate directly to Display or Lock Screen. This is where Always on Display lives. Once there, pause to note related toggles like Ambient Display or Lock Screen widgets, because disabling one may require adjusting others. You're ready for the main toggle change next. Now you'll change the setting itself. Find the Always on Display or Ambient Display option and flip the toggle to off. On some phones, you must tap into the menu first and choose off. You'll see the screen update immediately or after the next lock cycle, which confirms success. Make sure to check lock screen settings and screen timeout so the screen won't remain on inadvertently. If there's a schedule, disable it as well. Once done, the feature will be inactive. Finish by verifying the change. Lock the phone and wake it to ensure Always on Display no longer appears. If the display still shows clock or notifications, restart the device. That often clears cached display behaviors. If restarting fails, return to Display Settings and reset or clear display preferences or disable related apps that control lock screen content. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting step is to boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is re-enabling AOD. Remove that app and repeat the check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.